Fill that ball up.
I got that truck, right? I'm gonna sell it so I can buy another daily.
Yeah, we're gonna juice it first, though.
A little piece of shit that I can put nitrous on.
We juicing everything, man. Everything gonna get juiced. Uh-oh. Everything get juiced.
I need to find something cheap to buy.
I need to call Lucas and tell them I'm representing for them. Oh, BMW for life in here. He say I ain't seeing 50. We supposed to be even, man. I ain't see your 50. That's the only problem.
Oh, man.
I got BMW for life in here. We made 2 bets. I won the first one. He said he sent it to me. He won the second one. I was about to send it to him when I got off live, but I started looking for his 50 and noticed he ain't sent me the 50 I won. So you gonna have to show a receipt or something, man. I don't see no receipt. I don't mind paying. You see me, I'm here. Hello. Inbox me with a receipt or something. Screenshot something. You're gonna have to come on with it, buddy. And if you want to bet on the channel, anybody want to bet, you're gonna have to get you a membership. We don't even trust you without no membership. You're untrustworthy. Joshua Anderson just became a member. Look, Josh. Look out, Josh. Say cheese. Oh, it look like that left going around. Yep, it did. Damn, that left. He got something on there. Wes Cox, look out, Wes Cox. Okay, BMW for life. As long as you got that screenshot, or I can go look it back up. And then it was making another thing made it look fishy, BMW for life. As you said, you said you Zelled me, and then you request 50 on Cash App. If you had Cash App, why you? Well, I guess that's the only way to request. Right lane for the win. Look out, what's up with it, man? Which one? Oh yeah, I'm gonna bring them back probably next week. Next week. We at the house. I got them new lookout racing stickers. You gonna put one on your phone? There you go, right there. Hey man, you know my homeboy Marty? Marty? Yeah, Marty Cone. Oh shit. That's my block? Yeah, a little small block. Small block jumped out. Okay, look out, look out. All my people watching on TikTok, y'all can check it out widescreen on YouTube. Y'all check out my YouTube. Right lane again. The girl won the last race, yes. Well, don't accident. Hey. Yeah, I ain't trying to get copyrighted, y'all. Hey. Okay, I guess he gonna do something right here. We gon' why just for my enemies, I'm gonna slide on them. Lord, forgive me soon as I go ride on them. Why yeah. They dirty. To my murder gang. Heard the name. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, wait, work. Gang. This one all in trouble. Okay. Okay. When I met Bubba Gang, BG feel well. Slang. Okay. You look serious. Yeah, yeah. Got those teeth. Do he got a lookout racing sticker? I don't even know. Oh yeah, he got one too. Damn, it's lookout on lookout. Damn. This my boy up here though. Look out. Hey! We got Ashley Larry in the left lane. That's right, guys. Ashley Larry. We got murder over here too, guys. Getting into the board. Some of you guys' favorite. Look out, look out. Lacey Blur, hey girl. One time for the one time, Lacey Blur. We at Yello Belly Dragster, Anthony. I'm also live on my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. And I'm trying to get them subscribers up, man. I got about, what, 23,000?